All right, so this is number 29 on the speed dating typewriter paper. It says air is being pumped into a spherical balloon at a rate of 4.5 cubic inches per minute. So I've got a sphere. I'm trying to make this look. All right, air is being pumped into a spherical balloon at a rate, so this is a derivative, 4.5 cubic inches, this is volume. So dV dt is 4.5 inches cubed per minute. Find the rate of change of the radius, so we don't know dr dt when the radius is 2 inches. So we have volumes. The volume formula for a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So if I differentiate this, dV dt equals, so I'll take the 4 and multiply it by, or take the 3 and multiply it by the 4/3. 4/3 times 3 is just 4. And then pi r, decrease the exponent by 1, so squared. And then we'll throw a dr dt down from the chain rule. Now, this one is a little bit different. I know dV dt and I don't know the r, the rate for the radius. So I know dV dt is 4.5. 4 pi, I know the radius is 2, and I'm looking for dr dt. So 4.5, 2 squared is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, so this is 16 pi times dr dt. So getting our dr dt by itself, I'll divide 4.5 divided by 16 pi. So if I do that on my calculator, just be careful if you're typing it like me, make sure you throw parentheses in there. We've got 0.0895. And this is a rate for the radius. So the radius would be represented by inches. So this is inches per minute.